D, where we going? Really? You going to go see Thomas? That's where we're taking you, family. Mr. Leonard and myself and beyond. Say what's up. Okay, see you inside. Wait, let's see your Thomas blue shoes. I like that, man. Thomas kicks.
Thomas okay.
Online, I saw it was like $12, but for kids, they're free.
Okay.
As long as they're up under 16.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. The train show. Ready to have some fun, D? See you inside. Bluetooth train is Bluetooth compatible. Wow. Oh my. Cool. D, you see? Did you see the tables? There you go. Yeah, that's a big Thomas. That's what she's doing today. Train Society. It's amazing. That's what we are doing today. Wow. Trains everywhere. I think we just gonna stand here. That is nice. Look at the little details though, the little deets. What is it? Tyrannosaurus Rex or some type of dinosaur trying to get a guy off the ladder, firefighter. Crazy. This is nice. So many details. It's a Lego train. No, you can't go under. You gotta just look at it. Here it comes. It's a Lego train, D. Here it comes. Wave to him.
Wait for me. He said no. Look, it's a rainbow.
I know. That's why I wanted to know how many man hours went into this thing. This is where I want to be. Okay. Oh my gosh. Whoa.
Come here.
What?
Hurry up.
Mom? Yes. Mom's looking at the treats table. Oh. Can't remember what he said the ATM was. D, look, it's a steam engine. Look, it's a steam engine. Look, it has steam coming out of it. Cool. Oh, I got music too? Who sings that little song? It's not Kiss, is it? This is nice. Hey man. Coming through the tunnel. Yeah. Here it comes. Look at the steam, D. Look at the steam. What? He's trying to smell it. It smells smoky. D, a mess.
Yeah, you got this one already.
Yeah.
Look at water boat.
Yes. Like Sir Topham hat. He's gonna find something over here. Go ahead. Trying to figure out which one is the best angle. Who is that, D? What do you have? It is huge. What are we making? Is that the turntable?
Yes.
Cool. All right. Oh, I'm sorry. Excuse me. Cool.
What to say? Okay.
Bye, D.
You're so
I didn't even know. I thought it was just set. Look, it's just set that way. Oh my goodness. Getting on the train, making the bands.
How much is this big enough for adult storage? This is costing. It's big enough for us to ride?
Yeah, you guys can do it.
Oh, okay, good. These are fancy seats.
Oh. Hey, Dee. Too much chips. I'm really mad. We have the conductors or the conductress. Whee! I think Dion's gonna have to get off. Did you have fun riding Thomas? That's salty? Oh, it is. Cranky? Wait, Dion, be careful. We don't want to break it. Be gentle. You can ask Dad. You want him to look around some more before he decides what he gonna get, because that one Thomas. Dion, won't you try to get the? Oh my gosh! Be careful.
Come on. That's what you want? You don't want this one? Yeah. Come here.
Crying.
This one got a, you want that one? There's some more.
You got your wallet?
It's okay.
Where do you go?
scared you more than
Mm-hmm.
Hey,
$15 total.
is that what you want?
You gotta pull your money out your wallet. Oh, Dion got big bills.
Well, I'll take it.
I would love that.
Hold on, get some change.
All right. $5 is your change. Thank
Thank
you very
you.
much. Have fun.
Good job, D.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you. You made his day.
You wanna look around for some more stuff? That's all you want?
Wait,
You
wait.
can't put it on the track.
Let's wait to open it. Let's wait to open it, okay?
Look at it.
Oh my goodness. Who is this? Henry?
No, that doesn't have a face on it.
Oh, it's just a regular train. Oh, okay. That's neat. What is that? What is that? It's pulling, or is that something to help you push?
That's just a little magnet on the back.
Gotcha.
And we have a whole rack of battery engines for the wooden track.
Wow. Yeah, you didn't even take time to look at that to see. There we go.
Oh, yeah, because you're like the opposite of each other. I got it, yeah. I got it.
This is crazy. Look at this. This is where Dion needs to be. You need to be right here.
Right next to that.
Too cool. Way too cool. Seem to get D to leave. D, don't you want to walk around and see what else they have before they close? He said, oh no.
Come on, let's look at some more stuff. Come on. Yes.
No. I want to stay here.
Hold on, yeah, look at some more stuff.
I'm going to stay
You
here.
wanna buy some more toys? You wanna buy some more toys?
Come on, let's go look at some more trains. They got more trains. Oh, jeez. Why do you want to have a meltdown out of all days? Look, D, look. Woo! It came right back, just like a boomerang. Look, do you see a helicopter?
Come over here right there.
D, they have Thomas cups. Look, you have a coloring book. You have cups. You want a cup? Oh, that's cool. I love that. Uh-oh, be careful. They have all the mini trains. Do you want a cup? Let's get if you want a cup.
I want this.
Okay. better show your dad the price.
Look, Dad.
Let's go from there.
Oh.
They have wooden
What's the
ones,
bag?
cranky.
That was the bag.
A bag?
Yeah.
You have to wait to pay for it first. They have cranky. Do they have cranky?
Look, Dad, get James. James number 5.
Okay.
I'll represent.
I don't know.
But it's golden.
That's right here.
But it's golden too. Golden.
I heard that, baby. That's cranky. Cranky is high.
Where'd he go?
Right there. You see blankets. Dion is in heaven right now. Huh? What is this? This is crazy. A whole shop for this. Towels, washcloths, lunch boxes. Look. I think he would love this Thomas the Train lunchbox.
Look, Mom. Thomas and Thomas.
They have Thomas the Train lunchbox.
Oh, wait. Thomas.
They have blankets.
No, Philip.
You like Philip?
Ooh.
He is in heaven right now. Uh-oh, be careful. Like he going on a little shopping spree. It is a mess. You like that? He said he want that. Oh, look at the little like the tanks.
Don't do that.
Why? It's not your train set. I could do it.
Wait, what's these? What's he go?
I don't know. Did you see the trees?
Look, stay up.
Dion, that's so cool.
He stepped on him.
He switched the tracks. That's what he did.
Thomas.
Where's Thomas? I see Diesel.
That's Thomas. That's Thomas.
What you say, baby?
Thomas. That's Thomas.
All of this, they gotta clean all of this up. Like, these are all tracks, ladies and gentlemen. I don't think you guys know. Look at the lights, though. I wonder how many man hours it took for these intricate details. Oh, man. Wow. HNC Coffee. I would stay in this city. I don't know about y'all, but I would stay here. And I catch the train. This is nuts. Tier table. Look at this. It's Goodies Chocolatier. Okay, you get it out here. Look at these. He spit his gum out. Wait. Did you want to? You two. You want to get one for him? Oh, you didn't want one? Okay. Crispy treat. Can I see it? Hold up to the camera. Can mommy see it? Cool. It looks delish. He said he wanted to play. Oh. All the trains have stopped. Everybody's asleep. Okay.